Hi guys, Ryan here, and last night Nemo dropped us a lot of snow. You can see that's my kitchen door here, and move that to my deck. There's a lot of snow. So today we're going to measure it using timetables because I don't have a yardstick or something. Let's get started and hope the house doesn't collapse in. The door slowly. Oh. I'm so nervous. It's just a thick wall of snow. Let's get started. So I'm gonna go down here. Just might have to move the camera back. There you go, you can sort of see all the snow now. Okay. Let's start here at the bottom. We have Hudson line. These are all old ones, so I don't care if they get snowed on. Let's get in there. Okay. We have Harlem line next. So we're already at 2 timetables tall. 2 timetables. I'm just gonna playing snow from my kitchen. Another timetable. That one. You see that? Okay. Next we have New Haven line on top of. Whoops. On top of. Ah, so well, there you guys go. 2 1/3 timetables tall, so roughly 2.5 feet. It's a lot of snow though, and I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Just playing snow right here, just digging tunnels. Some snow? Anyone? Alright, I'm gonna go now and start shoveling. Bye.